from this to this. So I'm done with my skincare and I'm going to use this primer from Foccolor. And so sana magawa ko siya within 5 minutes lang. And this one is a liquid foundation from Foccolor in the shades YS03. And gagamitin ko na yung sponge diretso. So kaya sana magawa ko siya ng within 5 minutes lang. Mag 1 minute na. And syempre, concealer from Beauty Glaze, guys. And ito ko naman din ito. Ito before I forgot. So yung shade niya pala is Warm Natural, guys. Ay, concealer pa lang ako tapos 2 minutes na. Ayan. Next is magbo-brow powder na ito. Sana nagawa ko pa siya. Kasi 2 minutes na lang. Ay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes na pala. Siya masyadong pagtihan, guys. And sandali. So yun, at mamadali pa yung pamabuhuli. And then next na tayo sa ating eyeshadow, guys. And this is Grace. Two minutes and 34 seconds. And ito yung kahinaan ko sa light. Maglalagyan ko na siya ng shimmer. So yung shade niya is Warm. Ayan. Next is pupunta yung tayo sa ating nose. Oh. No. May bata pang makulit. No. Mamis, ano na? Oh. Next is blush. Oh, no.
Jump. 1, 2, 3. What's all these?
Yan, haruan ko na siya na.
Stop.
3 minutes na. 1 minute na.
Stop. 1, 2, 3. What's all these?
Bebe, no. Ha? Hindi na wala ako. Ay, wala eh. AJ!
Colors?
So yun, guys.
You have to
Para
color your
mapipili
lips?
ako dito. Okay.
Good job! What about blue? It's a color blue.
Yeah. Hindi ko siya magawa na.
That's gold. Wow! It's nice! What
Kasi
else?
bata pang makulit.
Time for next one?
No, don't touch it. 5 minutes na guys. Hindi ko siya.
That's for beautiful too.
Yeah.
My beautiful my too.
Diba, hindi pa ako natapos guys. Meron pa sana. Ito, tapusin ko na. Pero yung sayang. Sayang din naman.
For your finger. It's for your finger. My finger.
So, this is from O2O Mascara. Ayan siya, guys.
Oh, my choice.
Ayan, so 5 minutes. Hindi pa ako nakapaglagay ng highlighter. Ang mahaba na. So, ayan na yung aking makeup look for 5 minutes. Sobra pa siya ng 5 minutes. Ayan, so this is my final look. So, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.